tomorrow, another coronavirus vaccine gets considered for emergency use.
Meanwhile, we're learning more about other vaccines in the pipeline. WMAR 2 News' Abby Isaacs spoke to a Johns Hopkins doctor about the efforts to end the pandemic.
Johns Hopkins Dr. Anna Durbin expects by the summer there will be 5 vaccines approved in the U.S., making it possible to vaccinate all adults who want to be vaccinated in the next few months.
What the different choices give us is more vaccine doses, and that's really critical to getting out of the pandemic.
During the shortage in doses, new vaccines offer hope that soon supply will meet demand. Johns Hopkins Dr. Anna Durbin expects emergency use authorization for the Johnson & Johnson vaccine tomorrow, with rollout soon to follow.
It's a bit easier when you're working with a single dose vaccine to roll it out because, again, you don't have to worry about, are we going to have enough doses for a second dose?
Unlike Pfizer and Moderna, Johnson & Johnson was studied in Brazil and South Africa and demonstrated efficacy against the South African variant.
Builds confidence that we're going to get through this, right? Even if variants are coming up, the vaccines, particularly the Johnson & Johnson vaccine, where we have proven efficacy.
Johnson & Johnson, which is being produced in Baltimore, has also shown the ability to reduce virus transmission, something a recent Israeli study also found about Pfizer.
If you're vaccinated, you may get infected with the virus, but you're going to shed less virus for a shorter period of time, meaning it's more difficult for you to transmit that virus to somebody else. That's really going to be very helpful in getting this whole pandemic under control.
After Johnson & Johnson, there are 2 other vaccines coming down the pipeline. Durbin expects the 2-dose AstraZeneca vaccine to be approved for emergency use authorization by mid-March, and approval of the 2-dose vaccine from the Gaithersburg-based Novavax to come shortly after that.
But certainly I would think Q2 of 2021 will have a 5th vaccine, which will just be fantastic.
Because of that, she believes the vast majority of adults who want to be vaccinated will be vaccinated by the summer.
I think we're going to have enough doses of vaccine for that. To truly reach herd immunity, we're going to need to vaccinate kids as well. So I see that coming along probably closer to the fall.
Several vaccines are undergoing trials with 12 to 16-year-olds right now. For WMAR 2 News, I'm Abby Isaacs.